There's something big that has been happening in China's Shenzhen nowadays. A lot of economic development, improvement, and technological advancement has been going on in this metropolis for so many years. If you want to know what I'm talking about, just watch the video from beginning till the end. Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Arthur and welcome back again to our channel. And now before we get started, be sure to subscribe and push the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our great videos. In just 40 years, China's Shenzhen transformed itself from a small fishing village into a global economic powerhouse. But what lies behind the city's miraculous rise? In Shanghai City, a Shenzhen-Hong Kong pilot cooperation zone in Shenzhen. A decade ago, this was nothing but mudflat. Shenzhen was established as a special economic zone in 1980, the first in China to lead reform and opening up. At the Shekou Industrial Zone in Shenzhen, "Time is money, efficiency is life" quickly became a well-known slogan. Shenzhen's rise came with the springing up of skyscrapers. From late 1970s to 2019, Shenzhen's GDP rose at an annual growth rate of 21.6% to 2.69 trillion yuan, and its per capita GDP also skyrocketed from 606 yuan to 203,489 yuan. As one of China's first special economic zones, Shenzhen is seen as a flagship of China's high-tech industrial development. Viewed as China's Silicon Valley, Shenzhen is a prosperous coastal city in South China's Guangdong province. It is home to tech giants such as Huawei, Tencent, and DJI, and attracts a large number of college graduates every year. By the end of 2019, the city's population has surpassed 13 million. Shenzhen is a national economic center with great vitality and innovation. In 2017, China filed around 49,000 applications for international patents, nearly half of which came from the city, according to the World Intellectual Property Organization. Besides being a center of economy and innovation, Shenzhen is also a national logistics center with a sophisticated transportation system. And it is convenient for overseas friends to travel to the city, for Shenzhen Baoan International Airport operates 60 international air routes. Beijing has given Shenzhen special status to carry out wide-ranging reforms in a plan and build. It hopes the country's high-tech capital, just across the border from Hong Kong, will become a model city for others to follow. Under the plan, Shenzhen would become a model of high-quality development, an example of law and order and civilization, as well as societal satisfaction and sustainability. The goals were to make the city a leader in terms of innovation, public service, and environmental protection by 2025, the report said. From a pioneer 4 decades ago to a pilot demonstration area today, Shenzhen has remained focused on innovation as its primary driving force for development. The recent issuance and public tests of a digital currency in the city testify to its exemplary role in facilitating innovation. The new plan introduces more institutional innovation measures to support Shenzhen in piloting the comprehensive reforms. It also gives local authorities a greater say in the reform of key areas. While adopting higher standards and goals for reform and opening up, Shenzhen will build itself into a model city for a great modern socialist country. Two robots have been put into use at a waste transport station in Shenzhen, South China, holding a 660-liter dumpster detached from a garbage collection vehicle. The dumpster is then rolled over by mechanized arms, dumping the waste into an underground compression box. After dumping the trash, the robot carries the dumpster to the cleaning area where cleaners wash it for reuse. South China's Shenzhen city is the first city in the country to achieve full coverage of 5G independent networking, official announced. Shenzhen now has over 46,000 5G base stations, a station density believed to be the highest in the world, according to the city's Industry and Information Technology Bureau. The next step is to promote the development of 5G industries by making breakthroughs in 5G technologies and building a comprehensive 5G application ecosystem. The tech hub in South China's Guangdong province is home to an impressive group of Chinese startups and tech heavyweights including Huawei and Tencent. China has a saying, to see the past, visit Beijing, to see the present, go to Shanghai, but for the future, it's Shenzhen. Shenzhen has transformed itself from a tiny fishing village to a mega city in just 50 years, its population tripling since the 1990s. The city is a magnet for tech-savvy and inventive dreamers from all across China and the world. Because of them, Shenzhen has become the Silicon Valley of China, a true technology and innovation hub. The sprawling metropolis is famed for its skyscrapers, hybrid cars, solar energy, and for being home to a great many high-tech companies. Shenzhen municipal government encourages citizens to switch to eco-friendly hybrid cars that use both fuel and solar energy. The vehicles are made by a local manufacturer, BYD. Public transport here is hybrid to helping maintain the city's ecological reputation, which is among the best in China. The city's rapid growth demands new solutions for optimizing space. Shenzhen is one of the top 10 cities in the world for having the most skyscrapers. And that's all there is to it for today. Once again, this is Arthur. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.